busy life, running world, we cannot trust ourselves that we can post our wishes, maybe birthday wishes or marriage wishes or some festive wishes or any type of wishes to some our family members or relatives or some any other important persons in our life. Will you agree this? What if we can automate this work? Okay, let's start the video. Welcome back to YTM guys, this is Mahesh and you're watching Yellow Tech Mahesh. In this video, I'm gonna fully explain you about Microsoft Power Automate. And before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, just become old by subscribing to our channel. Okay. To be known simplified, just divide it into three words, that is Microsoft Power and Automate. As the first word is Microsoft, maybe get some idea that this is a tool that is developed from the Microsoft, and the middle word that is power. Here the meaning of the power means the performance in work, and the final word that is automate. Automate means it automates our work without our presence, and that's about the Microsoft Power Automate. To this from this video, I think you understand that this is a tool that automates our work and what type of works we can automate. And I also told you one example at the start of this video, and I will tell you one more example for you to get more simplified about this, and also how we can use this tool. All this will be explained in this video. Okay, one more example about this. For example, if you are any YouTuber or any other some similar platforms and you post a video every day, maybe in YouTube or Vimeo or Tumblr, anything, and you want to share it in maybe Twitter, Facebook, anything, we can automate the types of works. That means after post of your video in YouTube or Tumblr or Vimeo, you can directly share from your Twitter or Facebook. This is one more example about how we can automate our work. Okay, I think you get some idea about what type of works we can automate. As in my first example, that we can wish some other people by automating our work. That means maybe as a message or email, that's your choice, but you want to wish them, that's it. That's about you, how you wish. I think you get some idea about this tool, how it works and what's the requirement of this. And coming to the tool, this is not any free version. That means there are some templates which are already created from the Microsoft. That is some common, maybe from YouTube to Twitter or Facebook, like that. And if your work didn't meet there, you can also create our own templates. If you want to create our own templates, we can have 5 options, but if you want to use it for free as a free version, there will be 3 options only for you. That is we call it as a flows, and the first one is automated flow, and the second one is instant flow, and the third one is some other like that. And there are some 2 more options for the premium versions. To unlock this premium, it costs you, and that is for UI design and for the business process flow. Like this, there are 5 types in this flow, and let me just show you on my screen how it works. First, open your browser and type the address, that is www.office.com, and it will open the site. Before that, you want to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you have it, no problem, or else create one. Here I already signed in. Click here, sign in. And here I am signing with my account. and it will open its services, office services. Microsoft Home. Here we can get all apps that is from Microsoft, and what we are looking for, we are not looking for Microsoft Power Automate, and to open that there is a name called Flow here. Here you found as a Flow, not a Microsoft Power Automate. So I can click here search, or can click here all apps, no problem. I'm here searching now Flow, and this first one, it loads and it opens a Microsoft Power Automate. Takes some time to load. On the left side we are seeing so many options, right? Home, action items, my flows, create, templates, like that. There are so many. As I have told you in this video at the starting that there are some already created templates, we can use it, or we can also create our own templates, that means flows. This create option will redirect to create our own flow, and these templates will show already created flows, and this my flows means all the flows that we have created, that means using right now. Here first I will show you the predefined templates, how to use those. Click there on the templates and it will open like this. Here we can search for the templates. See here there are so many templates. For example, see, save Office 365 email attachments to OneDrive for business. That means the mails we get with some extra attachments, those attachments will also be saved in this OneDrive if you use this automation. Like this, there are so many automations, so many. I think most of us will have no problem. That means we can use these, and if you have any need which is not there here, you can create our own. Okay, first I will show one thing about as I have told you in the video starting, that is after uploading of our YouTube video we can share that through Twitter or some Facebook, like that. So I will show here as it is already predefined here. So just type YouTube and click enter. It will show all the predefined flows here. We are just using those predefined flows, that's it. I will also show you some option how we can create our own flows, but just wait for it for a while. Yeah, see, here we have searched for YouTube, and all the services that is predefined here are given here. Share YouTube video on Twitter. This is the example I have told you in this video. See, receive an email notification when a new video matches a search on YouTube. That means when we search any particular YouTube video, we will get an email notification on that. Notify your phone on new YouTube videos about your company. Like that, there are so many services here, that is automation works. I will just show you this one. Just click there which service you want to be automated, and here nothing to be done here, just we have to give the account, that means YouTube account and the Twitter ID, that's it. So when a new video is posted on a given account, the video will be shared through this given Twitter ID. See some others, and here click here on Twitter and you have to sign in with your Twitter account. As I don't have Twitter, I am not using this now. I think you understand about this. After we have given here your account, sign in, you can click here continue. That's it. This service will be on for you. And I will show how we can create our own. Click here create. It will redirect to that, and here we can create our own services. In this video I have told you some 5 options, that is some flows. This is automated flow, instant flow, schedule flow, UI flow, and the business process flow. These 3 flows, these first 3 flows can be used for free, and these last 2 are with the premium versions. So I will show you here automated flow. Click there, and here can give anything. For example, again the same YouTube. You can give any name here to know for us. That's it. Okay, YT hyphen Twitter. Okay, here click here YouTube. It will show some services. See, when a video is uploaded by a channel, that means any channel, when a video is uploaded, or when I upload a video, that means when you upload a video, or when a new video matches as such. These are given. This is for other channels. If you have a channel, you can use this. I am also clicking here. Or we'll first see this when a video is uploaded by a channel, and create. Here we have to give some accounts here. That means some other channel, right? So we can give any channel. For example, MKBHD or Linus Tech Tips. Make sure you give here a channel name correct without any spelling mistakes. Or click here Apple. Any channel you can give. And okay, when a video is uploaded by a channel, that means this YouTube channel, Apple YouTube channel, what the work we want to automate, and that will be here on the next step. Click here next step, and what we want, if we want to get a mail, click here mail. See, it show you some actions here. For example, send an email notification V3. If you click there, whenever a video is uploaded by that Apple YouTube channel, it will give as a notification, as an email notification here. If you click here accept, for example, to whom you want to send an email address. Here we can choose some dynamic content, that means video list. We can provide a link or video summary title according to the YouTube video you want to give
accordingly. For example, I'm clicking here, video list, video summary, description, and video ID, and here I'm giving this the subject of email ID, that means Apple new notifications. Can use these expressions. And you can choose here font, anything, how do you want. And if you click here save, and the work will be done. Whenever this whenever a YouTube video will be uploaded by this channel, that video will send as an email notification. And this is a procedure how we can get this. That means we have used it here with summary title and with summary description, like that. How do you want to get, you can choose here, no problem. That's your choice, how you want. This is how we can create our own flow. If you click here save, it will be saved. As I am not saving here, and I click here save, and it will be saved here. And if you want to add anything, you can click here new step. For example, I'm not using, just showing to you, that's it. That means if you click here notifications, you can make anything like that. Or for example Twitter, you can search here anything you want, and you can choose some particular action. And if you click here my flows, here it will show the flow we have recently given here, right? These are the flows we have making now, and this is automated work. If you want to delete, you can delete it, or if you want to stop it, you can stop. If you turn off this, it won't delete, but it will stop doing its work. That's it. If you delete here, and this work will be permanently deleted. And if you want to edit, that means if you want to add next step to this, you can add this like that. If you want to share and save as copy, that's up to you. How do you want? I think you have understand about how to create your own flows and how to use the predefined flows about this Microsoft Power Automate.
At last, I wish I covered all options from this video, and also if you like my explanation, please like this video, and if you feel that there is a more information and maybe new information or new topic, please share it to your friends or family, some other people. And if you want more like this type of videos, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get each and every update as a notification. Thanks for watching this video, guys.